Hi everyone, welcome to Sarah's Adge Mane. Today we'll see how to make mushroom puff. Before that, I'm happy to share Sarah Adge Mane has made first $10 revenue, waiting for the pin to verify the address. Without you all, I wouldn't have made it. Thanks for all the support and keep supporting. Thank you. Let's look into now how to make mushroom puff. Ingredients required: mushroom 200 gram, cleaned and chopped small. For saute, ginger garlic paste 2 spoons, onion 1 chopped, tomato 1 chopped, green peas 50 grams, salt according to your taste, cooking oil 3 spoon, red chili powder according to your taste, garam masala 1 spoon, coriander powder 1 spoon, turmeric powder 1/4 spoon, and coriander leaf little for garnishing. So let's see the process now. Keep all the ingredients chopped and ready for saute. Ginger garlic paste, mushroom chopped, onion chopped, tomato chopped, green chili chopped, and coriander for garnishing also chopped. So now, before starting the saute and preparing the stuffing and all, preheat the OTG at 200 degree for 25 minutes. For saute, take a pan, add oil, let it heat. Once the oil is hot enough, add the chopped onion, green chilies, ginger garlic paste. Actually, I've pounded it, I haven't made a paste, and saute until the onion is cooked. Now you see the onion is cooked well. Add the chopped tomatoes and saute. Once the tomato is also cooked, add the seasoning. Now add turmeric powder, chili powder, green chili is already added, so you can add according to your taste. Coriander powder, garam masala powder. Mix it well. Now add salt according to your taste. Add the chopped mushroom. And mix it well with the vegetable and masala. If you want, you can add little water and cook it, but I suggest you add little amount of water, because once the mushroom is cooked, it will automatically release water from mushroom, so don't add too much water. Add little water. Close the lid and let it cook for 2 minutes. Now open the lid, add the green peas and mix it well. Let it cook for 2 to 4 minutes so that the green peas binds with the gravy. Let it cook for 2 to 4 minutes. Your stuffing is almost ready. It's ready. I'm using puff sheet which I bought from Big Basket. You have around 20 sheets, I believe. It is good actually. Try out. I bought that brand. It was around 250 200 change. I'm using that. Now cut that in middle and make it 2 pieces. Before that I have taken 1 egg and I've kept it here for egg wash. Once the puff is assembled, we'll do an egg wash. Beat it and keep it aside for an egg wash. Now keep the stuffing at the end, one end. And close it. So grease the baking tray with butter. Do the same for all the puff sheets and assemble the puff on the greased tray. Once the puff is assembled, now glaze the egg glaze on the puff. Glaze it. Just brush it on the top. So puff is ready to bake. Now open the OTG. It is already preheated for 25 minutes. Open the OTG and keep the tray inside. Let it bake for 25 minutes at 200 degrees. So it's done. Now open the tray, check. Okay, the puff is raised. So let's cook for another 5 minutes. Let's keep it again so that you will get that golden brown on top. So let's wait for another 5 minutes. So it's almost done. Now open the OTG and remove the tray. Now you can see the golden brown on top. It's cooked. It's very flaky and delicious puff. You won't believe it will be um, actually bakery product which is homemade. In next video we'll show how to make puff pastry sheet, but this is just a ready-made sheet which is really good. It comes out really flaky and it can be used for any pastries. We also made a pastry out of jam and Nutella. Even that came out really good. It is available in Big Basket. Don't forget to try our recipe and share your feedback. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting recipes. Click bell icon to get instant notification on our next post. Thank you.